All right, let's look at some real scenarios of things that we've done over the years with investors and figure out how to get you the property. All right, you're going to a bank auction and you want to buy this property at an auction and get a heck of a deal on it, but you don't have the cash. You're looking at a short sale, but you can't get in the building. You know, it's a contentious situation with the tenant, but you don't have the cash, right? Those are some examples, right? You got a building that is complete disrepair, 5 evictions going on, complete craziness, but you get a heck of a deal. You know how to add the value. Very difficult to go to a bank. How do you do it without the cash? Very simple. Private lenders, okay? We rely on our network of our private lenders. We built these relationships over the years to help us and our clients put these deals together, all right? Multifamily, flips, whatever it is. All right, so there's some pros and there's some cons. All right, so what are the pros? Well, number one, you're basically a cash buyer. So you can buy those crazy situations that banks usually don't touch. All right, less red tape than a bank. Okay, you're dealing with a group or a person. You know, you still got to get clear title. There's still title insurance. There's still a similar process. You're paying for the mortgage docs, but you know it's a lot easier. Okay, you can close quickly. Okay, so you can act fast and close fast, which gives you more opportunities. And obviously the condition of the property doesn't matter. The cons, well, obviously that comes at a cost. So the interest rate's higher. We're talking 13 to 16%, could be more, could be less. You pay points up front. Each point is 1% of the loan amount. So typically, you know, there's 3 to 6 points up front, depending on the situation. You know, if you got a good track record, you've done a few of these, you're working with a team like us and you're using our relationships, you know, those numbers come down accordingly because your risk factor is less. But the most important thing, and this is a con if you don't think about it, you need a solid exit strategy because 13, 14, 15% interest adds up quick, okay? And it's interest only on these loans. And you're typically 6 months to 24 months. That's the window. So you need an exit strategy. So you're buying this building, you know, you're going to do this construction, you're going to stabilize the units, you're going to rent them out. You got to have that exit strategy dialed in, and you got to know that you can get that loan to refi out, okay? And last, you know, your timelines are critical, especially now where the market is so dynamic and it's changing so quickly. You bought this house 6 months ago, you know, your target to refi out, you needed a $600,000 appraisal. Now the market drops 10%. So now it's only going to appraise for 540 and you're trying to get out. That could screw your whole deal up. So we have to factor that in. We have the experience to do that. We will work with you up front and make sure you have a solid exit strategy. But, you know, pros and cons to private lenders and finance and multis, way more pros than cons. You just have to be aware of a few pitfalls. All right, so if you got a crazy project you're looking at and you're not sure how to put it together and you need some help, we're your guys. Let's connect and we'll see how we can get one of our network of lenders to work with you and put that deal together. All right, thanks.